Hello guys, you are watching our YouTube channel Science की तरफ से. This is the first video of our channel. The topic we will discuss today is that application of physics in daily life. So without further any talks, let's get started with the video. From the time we wake up in the morning to the time we go to the bed at night, we are involved in science at steps. Today we will discuss about 5 things that we use almost every day. Physics is everyday life. Physics is everyday life. Physics or the study of matter, energy and the interaction between them helps us to understand the laws and rules that govern the physical world. Not every student will grow up and study physics on a deeper level, but everyone uses basic physics concepts to navigate everyday life. How everyone use physics concept every day. Studying physics may sound overwhelming, but students are more than likely already very familiar with many of the concepts. Combating a negative or frustrated attitude starts with give students the examples and ideas that will help them to feel both interested and excited to learn about the how and why behind. Number 1, alarm clock. Physics gets involved in your daily life right from your wake up in the morning. The buzzing sound of an alarm clock helps you wake up in the morning as per your schedule. The second is something that you can't see but hear or experience. Physics studies the origin, propagation, and properties of sound. It works on the concept of quantum mechanics. Number 2, stream iron. Right after you wake up in the morning and start preparing for your school office, you need an iron cloth, and that's where physics come into play. The steam iron is such a machine that uses a lot of physics to make it go. The foremost principle of physics used in the steam iron is heat. Heat is thermodynamics, is a type of energy transfer from a warmer substance to a colder one. Ironing works by having a heated metal base, the sole plate. Number 3. Now, when number 3, walking. Now, when you get ready for your office, school, whatever medium of communication is you certainly have to wake up to a certain distance. You can easily walk is just because of physics. While you have a walk in the park or on a tar road, you have a good grip without slipping because of a sort of roughness or resistance between on soles of your shoes and the surface of the road. The resistance which is responsible for the grip is called friction or traction. However, when a banana peel comes under your foot, you suddenly fall. Now, what makes you fall? Well, it's due to the reduced friction between your shoes and the surface of the road because of the slippery banana peel. Number 4, ballpoint pen. Whatever you are at your workplace on or in your school, a ballpoint pen is your weapon. Had physics not been there, you would not have able to write with a ballpoint pen on a paper. In this case, the concept of gravity comes into play. As your pen moves across the paper, the ball turns and gravity forces the, the ink down on the top of the ball where it is transferred into the paper. At last, number 5, car seat belts. Have you ever notified that on which principle does your car seat belt work? Well, it's again physics. When you tighten your car seat belt, it works on the concept of inertia. Inertia is a inertia is a inertia is an object resistance to a change into its state of rest or state of motion. Inertia is caused because object has mass, then more mass, and object has the more inertia. In case in case of a car collision, your seatbelt helps prevent your body from moving in a forward direction, as your body resists being stopped because of inertia of motion.